This video begins the command injection section with a ping form with a challenge. Here are the topics: router configuration pages, a vulnerable form, and a challenge. Many routers have a configuration page like this where you can test your internet connection by typing in domain name like google.com and clicking ping. Unfortunately, many of these have command injection flaws. So, I reconstructed this defect in this web page here, so you can practice with it. So here's a form where you put in an IP, and then you can send pings. If you put in google.com, it will ping google.com, but all you have to do is add a semicolon, and then another Unix command like lx here, ls, and it will execute it. So if you ping this target, it will ping Google and then perform an ls listing the files on the server. So you can put in any commands you want. You can even put in several commands. So here is the command I put into Google, then take hi and put it in a file called temp.test, and then do an ls of the contents of the temp folder to see it. So here it does the ping for Google, then it does this echo, which has no output you can see, and then it does ls/temp, which shows that there's now a file called test. So let's take a look at that. Here's the web page, and so if I do google.com, put that in here, then it pings Google twice and returns. But if I put in this, google.com /ls, then it pings Google and then lists files on my server. So if I want to, I can do a echo foo into file/temp/bar, and then I could do an ls space -l, for example, of the /temp. Let's see what that does. First it does the ping, then it puts text in a file which has no output, then it gives me an ls-l of temp, so I can see that there is a file called bar, and it has 4 characters in it, which are those 3 I put in, followed by, I think, a carriage return. So, you now control my server. You can execute quite a few things on my server. You aren't root, by the way. You could go here and put in who am I to see who you are, and it shouldn't be a big surprise to discover that you are www.data, the web server identity, which does not have root privileges, but it can write to certain directories, such as the temp directory. So, when you get that working, here's your challenge. Put your name in this file, and after 1 minute you will appear on a winners page like this. There's an example of people showing up on the winners page, so give it a shot.